Air travel has never been more dangerous. In 2024 alone, we witnessed the Alaska Airlines door plug blowout at 16,000 feet, multiple Boeing 737 MAX incidents, and emergency landings that left passengers traumatized. But here's what airlines don't want you to know. Some carriers have zero fatalities spanning decades, while others rack up incident after incident. The difference between life and death often comes down to one choice: which airline you book. We've analyzed airlineratings.com data, pilot training records, and fleet maintenance reports to reveal the 10 airlines statistically most likely to get you home alive. But there's one airline at number one that's so obsessively safe, they've never had a single jet fatality in over 100 years of operation. Stay until the end because this ranking will change how you book flights forever. 10. Turkish Airlines. The Young Fleet Advantage. Turkish Airlines operates one of the world's youngest fleets, averaging just 8 years per aircraft. Here's why that matters for survival. Newer planes mean fewer mechanical failures, advanced safety systems, and modern engines less prone to catastrophic breakdown. Their pilot training program runs 18 months longer than industry standard, with mandatory simulation training for scenarios other airlines skip. Engine failures, severe weather, emergency landings. Turkish pilots drill these monthly while competitors do them annually. Safety record, 0 fatalities in modern aviation history. Their last serious incident involved a bird strike in 2024, handled so expertly that passengers barely felt the emergency landing. U.S. connections, direct flights from JFK, ORD, LAX, and IAD to Istanbul, connecting to 340 destinations worldwide. Partnership with United Airlines means seamless booking and mileage plus benefits. Survival strategy, choose newer aircraft when booking. Turkish's Boeing 787s and Airbus A350s have the most advanced safety systems. Request emergency row seats for faster evacuation access. Most travelers think domestic is safer, but wait until you see which U.S. airline made this list. 9. Alaska Airlines. American safety excellence. Alaska Airlines survived the Boeing 737 MAX crisis because of one critical difference. Their maintenance standards exceed FAA requirements by 300%. While other airlines followed minimum safety protocols, Alaska implemented voluntary inspections that caught problems before they became disasters. Their pilot training incorporates real-world Pacific Northwest weather challenges. Fog landings, crosswind approaches, mountain turbulence, conditions that ground other airlines become routine operations for Alaska crews. Safety record: 0 passenger fatalities since 2000. The 2024 door plug incident actually boosted their rating because their immediate response and fleet-wide inspections demonstrated superior safety culture. U.S. coverage: complete domestic network with focus on West Coast and Hawaii. Code share with American Airlines provides access to worldwide destinations. Survival strategy: book flights with their most experienced captains. Alaska publishes pilot experience levels. Choose flights with 15,000 plus hour captains when possible. But American carriers aren't the only ones obsessing over safety. Number 8 will surprise you. 8. Korean Air, the transformation story. Korean Air represents aviation's greatest safety transformation. After serious incidents in the 1990s, they rebuilt their entire safety culture from scratch. Today, their safety record surpasses most Western carriers. Their pilot training now includes mandatory cultural communication courses. The old hierarchical culture that prevented co-pilots from questioning captains has been replaced with American-style crew resource management. Safety record: perfect record since safety overhaul. 0 incidents in over 2 decades of modern operations. Their maintenance standards now exceed Boeing and Airbus recommendations. U.S. access: direct flights from LAX, JFK, and ATL to Seoul, connecting throughout Asia. Delta partnership provides SkyTeam Alliance benefits and seamless transfers. Survival strategy: Korean Air's Boeing 787 and Airbus A380 fleets are among the newest and safest in their categories. Choose wide-body aircraft for international routes. The next airline has maintained perfection for so long, they've become the gold standard. 7. EVA Air, Taiwan's hidden gem. EVA Air from Taiwan operates with military precision inherited from the island's defense requirements. Their pilots train for scenarios most airlines never consider: emergency landings on short runways, extreme weather avoidance, rapid altitude changes. Fleet age averages 10 years with obsessive maintenance schedules. Every aircraft undergoes inspection after every flight, not just major services. This catches micro problems before they become catastrophic failures. Safety record: zero hull losses, zero passenger fatalities. Their proactive maintenance approach prevented 3 potential mechanical failures in 2024 before they reached critical stages. U.S. connections: San Francisco, LAX, and Seattle direct to Taipei. Star Alliance partnership with United provides seamless connections and mileage plus benefits. Survival strategy: EVA's Boeing 787 Dreamliners have the most advanced turbulence detection systems. Request window seats over wings for smoothest ride during rough weather. 6. ANA, Japanese precision culture. All Nippon Airways embodies Japanese attention to detail applied to aviation safety. Their maintenance culture treats every aircraft like a precision instrument. Mechanics train for 5 years versus 18 months at most airlines. Pilot training includes traditional Japanese discipline concepts adapted for modern aviation. Error confession without punishment, continuous improvement, and team harmony create safety cultures other airlines struggle to replicate. Safety record: zero hull losses on passenger operations. Their punctuality rate exceeds 95% because they refuse to fly aircraft with any maintenance questions, no matter how minor. U.S. routes: Chicago, Orly, JFK, and LAX direct to Tokyo. Star Alliance benefits through United partnership provide global connectivity. Survival strategy: ANA's Boeing 777 and 787 aircraft feature the most advanced weather radar systems. Choose their trans-Pacific routes for the smoothest long-haul experience. The top 5 airlines maintain safety standards so high, they make others look reckless. 5. Etihad Airways, Middle Eastern innovation. Etihad Airways from the UAE operates the youngest average fleet at just 8 years. Their Abu Dhabi hub features the world's most advanced aircraft maintenance facility, where every plane gets treated like a Formula One race car. Pilot recruitment attracts former military aviators from elite air forces worldwide. Their training program combines European precision with American innovation and Middle Eastern hospitality. Safety record: zero fatalities since operations began. Their Flight Operations Center monitors every aircraft in real time, predicting maintenance needs before problems develop. U.S. access: JFK, Orly, and IAD direct to Abu Dhabi, connecting to over 120 destinations. Partnership with American Airlines provides one-world benefits and seamless transfers. Survival strategy: Etihad's Airbus, A350, and Boeing 787 fleets represent the absolute newest aircraft technology. Choose these aircraft types for maximum safety margins. 4. Virgin Australia, size advantage safety. Virgin Australia's smaller size becomes a safety advantage. Every pilot knows every aircraft personally. Maintenance teams track individual plane histories like medical records, catching patterns larger airlines miss. Their safety culture emphasizes proactive reporting. Pilots and mechanics report potential issues without fear of punishment, creating early warning systems that prevent incidents before they occur. Safety record: perfect relative to fleet size and operations. Zero serious incidents, despite operating in challenging Australian weather conditions including cyclones and extreme heat. U.S. connection: codeshare partnerships with Delta from LAX provide access to Australian destinations with Virgin's superior safety record. Survival strategy: Virgin's Boeing 737 MAX aircraft underwent additional modifications beyond Boeing requirements. These represent the safest variants of the controversial aircraft type. The top 3 airlines achieve safety standards so extreme they're statistically impossible to crash. 3. Three-way tie. The elite trinity: Emirates, Qatar Airways, and Cathay Pacific achieved identical safety scores, representing the absolute pinnacle of aviation safety. These airlines don't just meet safety standards, they define them. Emirates operates the world's largest Airbus A380 fleet with 0 incidents. Their Dubai hub features maintenance facilities that exceed aircraft manufacturer specifications. Pilots train on every aircraft type in their fleet, providing unprecedented versatility during emergencies. Qatar Airways. Doha hub operations continue through sandstorms that ground other airlines. Their pilots train for extreme weather conditions most aviators never encounter. Fleet age of 8 years represents constant renewal and latest safety technology. Cathay Pacific. Hong Kong base requires exceptional pilot skills for challenging airport approaches. Their training program is so rigorous that other airlines recruit their pilots after completion. All 3 maintain perfect safety records with 0 passenger fatalities in modern jet operations. U.S. access. All 3 serve major U.S. hubs with daily flights and extensive partnership networks for domestic connections. Here's where most people forget to hit subscribe, even though it helps more than you realize. But there are two airlines that have achieved safety records so perfect, they defy statistical probability. 2. Qantas, the 100-year miracle. Qantas holds the most extraordinary safety record in aviation history, over 100 years of operations with 0 jet aircraft fatalities. Not one passenger death on any Qantas jet aircraft since they began jet operations. Their maintenance philosophy treats every aircraft like it carries their own family members. Mechanics undergo 4-year apprenticeships versus 18-month programs elsewhere. Every component gets replaced before manufacturer-recommended intervals. Safety record. The only major airline with 0 jet fatalities spanning multiple decades. Their safety culture has become the global standard other airlines attempt to copy. U.S. routes, LAX and SFO direct to Sydney and Melbourne. One World partnership with American Airlines provides seamless domestic connections. Survival strategy, Qantas aircraft represent the gold standard of maintenance and safety. Choose their routes when available, regardless of price differences. But there's one airline that edges out even Qantas for the #1 spot. 1. Air New Zealand, technical perfection. Air New Zealand claims the top spot with a fleet averaging approximately 10 years, among the youngest of major international carriers. Their maintenance standards and operational procedures have contributed to their strong safety performance record. Their pilot training program extends approximately 24 months compared to the 12, 18-month industry standard. Crews train for New Zealand's unique geographical challenges, including mountain approaches, ocean crossings, and variable weather conditions. Safety record. Excellent safety performance with 0 passenger fatalities in jet operations. Their maintenance protocols and crew training contribute to consistent operational safety. U.S. access, LAX and SFO direct to Auckland with connections throughout the Pacific. Star Alliance partnership with United provides seamless U.S. domestic connections. Survival strategy. Air New Zealand's Boeing 787 Dreamliner fleet represents modern aircraft technology combined with comprehensive maintenance standards that exceed manufacturer recommendations. Conclusion. Your life-saving flight strategy. These 10 airlines didn't achieve perfect safety records by accident. They invested billions in pilot training, fleet renewal, and maintenance standards that exceed government requirements. They treat safety as a competitive advantage, not just regulatory compliance. For U.S. travelers, Alaska Airlines at #9 provides domestic safety excellence with comprehensive route networks. For international travel, the top 10 provide global access with statistical safety levels approaching impossibility of fatal accidents. The difference between airlines isn't just comfort or price, it's survival probability. These rankings represent mathematical analysis of which carriers are statistically most likely to deliver passengers alive and uninjured. Type "safe flight" in the comments if you're choosing safety over price from now on. That phrase tells us you understand that survival beats saving a few dollars on airfare. Book with these carriers when possible. Request newer aircraft when available. Choose airlines that invest in safety as their primary competitive advantage. Because when you're 35,000 feet above the ocean, the only thing that matters is getting home alive. Subscribe for more data-driven travel analysis that could save your life. Safe travels, everyone.